Atoms are not stable alone if their outermost electron shell, or you can say valence shell, is not full. To become stable, atoms either share electrons and form covalent bond, or transfer electrons, form ionic bond. A single hydrogen atom is unstable. Elements are bonded with each other by different ways, and one such a process of bonding is called covalency and covalent bond. Before discussing covalency, we will discuss about octet rule. What is the octet rule? Do you know? According to octet rule, atoms are most stable when valence shell acquires 8 electrons. Valence shell means outermost orbit. The electrons present in the outermost orbit is called the valence electron, and the shell is called the valence shell. This is because to achieve inert gas electronic configuration, in which outermost orbit or valence shell have 8 electrons except helium and hydrogen. So, what is the octet rule? The octet rule states that atoms tend to combine in such a way that they have 8 electrons in their outermost or valence shell, achieving a stable configuration like the noble gases. So, there are total 2 electrons which form one pair of electrons. So, the atoms having 8 electrons in valence shell are considered most stable because octet is complete. Either 2 electron or 8 electron in the valence shell, it means a stable configuration achieved. Moreover, hydrogen and helium having 2 electrons in its valence shell is also considered stable. The sharing of electrons in a covalent bond happens because atoms are trying to achieve stability. Covalency is defined as number of electrons shared by an atom with other atom. You can see here hydrogen covalency 1, number of electrons shared 1, oxygen covalency 2, number of electrons shared 2, nitrogen covalency 3, number of electrons shared 3, carbon covalency 4, number of electrons shared 4. Single bond is formed when one pair of electrons shared. You can see here hydrogen single bond is formed. Double bond is formed when two pairs of electrons shared. Oxygen, you can see 2 electron pair shared. Triple bond is formed when 3 pairs of electrons shared. You can see in the nitrogen 3 electrons shared, 3 electron pair shared. And in carbon 4 pair of electrons shared, therefore 4 covalent bond is formed. So for hydrogen, 1 electrons required to complete the duplets because 2 electrons also achieve the stable configuration. 1 covalency of hydrogen will be 1 because 1 plus 1 will be 2. For oxygen, covalency is 2 because 6 electrons are already there in the valence shell, and if this oxygen atom will get 2 electrons becomes the 8. So octet is complete. So covalency is the 2. Where covalency of oxygen is 2, and for nitrogen covalency is the 3 because 3 electrons come here, 5 already in the valence shell, 5, 3, 8. Octet is complete. For carbon, this covalency is the 4. Here 4 already valence electron is there, 4 electrons shared by another carbon atom, so become outermost shell will be the 8, so octet will be complete. Triple bond. Oxygen, double bond. Hydrogen, single bond. One pair of electron, two pair of electron, three pair of electron.